Good morning, students. Today I am going to start a new lesson, chapter 7 of Moral Science, Keeping Self Under Control. Keeping Self Under Control मतलब अपने आप को कंट्रोल में रखना. Once the Buddha was passing through a village. Some of the villagers began to abuse him. The Buddha did not react to the foul language used on him. Once the Buddha was passing through the village, and by seeing Buddha, some of the villagers, some of the persons started abusing him. But the Buddha just going on listening the foul language but do not reacting anything else on those villagers. So one of the villagers asked him, why are you not reacting? So one of the villagers asked him, why you are not reacting to those villagers, those who are abusing you. So some years ago the Buddha said that I was in another village. Buddha told that some years ago I was in another village and the people of that village greeted him with flowers and fruits. Many of the peoples of those villages, उनको फूल दिए गए और कुछ फल दिया गया. But he accepted only the flowers but turned down the fruits, but he had not taken the fruits from them. What do you think the villagers would have done with those fruits? So they must have distributed among themselves. So the fruits which are not accepted by the Buddha were distributed among themselves, the villagers. That was the reply. Do the same with your abuses, he said. Don't react whenever any persons tell any abuse about you. Leave it. The Buddha had an inner control of himself. Due to his inner control of himself, he had not reacted. One who has control over his own emotions and passions is a great man. जिसके पास सेल्फ कंट्रोल है, जो बर्दाश्त कर सकता है, that is the great person. One of the noble quality, एक अच्छी क्वालिटी इंसान में होती है कि अपने आप में कंट्रोल करना, सेल्फ कंट्रोल. People admire and respect those who exercise this quality. It is the key to peace and happiness. When one particular person is having a self-control upon him, that particular person will be always be in peace, shant और खुश रहेगा and happiness. In general, all of us know that we must do and what we must not do. We all know that क्या हमें करना है और क्या नहीं करना है. We are able to distinguish between good and evil. We can differentiate between the good and bad, whatever the good things to do and whatever the bad things not to do. We can distinguish between the virtues and vices. हमारे में क्या गुण है, क्या दोष है, उसमें भी हम differentiate कर सकते हैं. All the same, we are inclined to do wrong things. For instance, we know that greed, envy and anger are vices, but often we give into these evils. People steal, tell lies, quarrel, cheat and use foul language. Generally, maximum peoples चोरी करेंगे, झूठ बोलेंगे, लड़ाई झगड़ा करेंगे, चीटिंग करेंगे and also use a bad language against them. Why do people take to such evil ways? It is because they are unable to control themselves. People will steal, tell lie, quarrel, cheat, and use a bad language because they are not having a self control upon them. Those who fail to control themselves tend to do bad things easily. So those who are not having a self control, they lose their temper and try to do the bad things very. Self control is the foundation of one's character. Self control is one of the quality for formation of our character also. One who lacks in self control be a person of sound character. One who lacks in the self control cannot be a person of a sound character. जिसमें सेल्फ कंट्रोल की कमी है वो एक अच्छा इंसान हो ही नहीं सकता. Without self control one would be a weak person. Such a person would easily give into temptations. His inclinations and emotions will have the better of him. He would go wherever his bad friends take him and do whatever they ask him to do. He would even lead others into doing bad things. He would be inclined to do everything bad all the time. A person who is having a lack of self control will be always creating a problem, always using the foul language, asking their friends also to use the same type of activity what they are doing with the others, and he will be never become a good person in life. To develop self control one must learn to control one's emotions and feelings. To develop a self control, एक इंसान को सामने वाले के फीलिंग्स, उसके इमोशंस के बारे में पता होना चाहिए. To develop self-control, one must learn to control one's emotions and feelings. We must also take care to keep our senses under control. If we learn to control our eyes and ears, much of the troubles can be avoided. एक कहावत है, बुरा ना देखो, बुरा ना सुनो और बुरा ना बोलो. ये 3 फंडामेंटल्स हैं जिससे कि हम हमारे लाइफ में आने वाली जितनी भी ट्रबल्स हैं दैट वी कैन अवॉइड इट. वी कैन अवॉइड बाय यूजिंग डोंट स्पीक बैड, डोंट हियर बैड थिंग्स, डोंट डू बैड थिंग्स. सो वी कैन कंट्रोल our senses. We must check our thoughts, feelings and senses. They can be tamed and checked only if we have a strong willpower. If we are having a strong willpower, one person who is having a strong willpower can check what he is doing right and what he is doing wrong or what he is doing bad to the others. A strong willpower can be acquired by curbing evil desires and passions. A strong willpower can be acquired by stopping the evil things और किसी को परेशान करना, ये सब बंद करना है. They should be nipped in the bud itself. Unless passions like hatred, anger, greed and laziness are controlled in time, they will take control of ourselves. If we are not going to control our anger, greediness, laziness, in time they will take control of ourselves. Weak-willed persons in the course of time become slaves to their passions. Once you became a slave to your passion, it would be very difficult to free yourself from evil habits and practices. If you are not in the earlier stage giving up such type of bad habits or the foul languages, after a long time it will be very difficult for you to free yourself from this type of bad habits and practices. Self-control helps us also in conserving our energy. If we are having a self-control upon us, we must gain energy also. A person who has lost control over himself is likely to waste his energies in useless or sinful activities. Who is not having a self control or lost his self control will be simply wasting his energy in useless works, activities, sinful activities. बेकार की बातों, बेकार का कार्य करने में अपनी पूरी एनर्जी खराब कर देगा. By entertaining bad thoughts, he would gradually go away from the right path. He is thinking that one particular person who is using such type of bad habits, he is entertaining the others, but suppose he is enjoying the bad habits with the others, but gradually day by day he is moving away from his right path. He is destroying his life. He would become a distracted person. He would not be able to focus his mind on good or right things. तो भविष्य में कभी भी अपने दिमाग से सही रास्ते पे नहीं चल पाएगा. He can't move in a right path because his mind is always focused to do the wrong things. It would make him a disintegrated person. He would not be able to achieve his goals in life. So we must develop good habits that helps us conserve energies and become persons with strong will and self-control. So one must develop a good habits to gain our energy and to become a person with strong will and self-control. By observing self-control in small things, we can train ourselves for self-control in greater things. अगर हमें छोटी छोटी बातों पे हमारे पे सेल्फ कंट्रोल है तो हम अपने आप को बड़ी बड़ी बातों के लिए सेल्फ कंट्रोल रख सकते हैं. If we are having a self-control in small little bit things, we can have a self-control in the greater things also. Every time you exercise self-control in something, yourself or personality grows stronger. Every time when we uses our self-control day by day, our personality also grows day by day to the stronger position. Self-control means that you take control of your own self. Self-control is another that you are taking the control on yourself also, your own self also. हम अपने आप में भी कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं. That is, you are not controlled by the whims and the fancies of the other people. You learn to take responsibility for your own thoughts, words and actions. One must take the responsibility of their own thoughts, उनके विचार, उनके शब्द और उनके व्यवहार, activities, actions. You become an authentic person, विश्वसनीय व्यक्ति बन जाएंगे. Every physical act of self-control makes you stronger spiritually. Saints and sadhus become great and holy by practicing self-control. साधु और संत वो पवित्र होते हैं, महान होते हैं क्योंकि उनमें सेल्फ कंट्रोल होता है. They are daily practicing the self-control. Saints and sadhus became great and holy by practicing self-control. Every time you do an act of self-control, every time one must do the act of self-control, so that he must have the spirit of God in you becomes more holy. जो आपके भगवान में विश्वास है वो डे बाय डे इट विल बिकम होली, दैट इज पवित्र होगा और स्ट्रांग होता चला जाएगा. एंड यू विल बिकम इन लाइफ ए गुड पर्सन. सो our chapter name is also keeping self under control. We must be having self control. One must have a self control to become a good citizenship. So this finishes my chapter 7. So in next I will be sending you some of the meanings, fill-ups true and false, and the question answers through the PDF. Till that time, thank you.